In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a real estate listing yard sign using Canva. Whether you're a real estate agent or you're helping out someone in the industry, crafting an eye-catching yard sign can attract potential buyers and make a significant difference in the real estate world. Let's dive into the process and create a stunning design with ease. To start with, head over to Canva on your computer or mobile device. Canva is a user-friendly design platform that offers a multitude of templates to help you create various types of graphics, including yard signs for real estate. Once you've opened Canva, you need to begin by typing real estate listing yard into the search bar at the top of the page. You'll find a collection of ready-to-use templates that you can customize to your liking. Now it's time to browse through the selection of templates available. Take your time to scroll through and evaluate your options. Look for a design that reflects the personality of the property and the tone of your listing. Once you find a template that resonates with your vision, go ahead and select it to get started. After choosing your template, you'll see a button labeled Customize this template. Click on that, and it will open up a customizable version of the design in Canva's editor. This part is where you can truly make the design your own. The placeholder text you see on the template can be replaced with the details of your listing. Think about including essential information like the property address, your contact information, and any unique selling points that will catch the eye of potential buyers. Next, let's focus on the imagery. Images are a vital element in a yard sign as they provide a visual connection to the property. You can change the picture on the template to one that best represents the property you're marketing. Simply click on the image in the template and you'll be able to replace it with a photo from your upload, or you can choose from Canva's image library. As you edit the template and incorporate your details, don't forget to ensure that the text is legible from a distance. Use clear fonts and make sure the colors you choose contrast well for maximum readability. Remember, the purpose of a yard sign is to grab attention quickly, even to drivers who may only have a moment to glance at it. Once you are satisfied with your design, you can download it in your preferred format. If you're printing these signs, consult with your printing service to understand their requirements for file types and dimensions to ensure a seamless process. And there you have it, you've just created a professional and attractive real estate listing yard sign with Canva. This tool simplifies the design process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, connecting with potential buyers. Now you're all set to make a lasting impression with your property listings.